Blessings, I'm Queen Ash. I'm a mom of two. I take care of my babies, make wigs, and make great money from the comfort of my home. With everything going on in the world, why not learn this skill? Making wigs are therapeutic for me. Not only am I able to make these wigs to contribute to enhancing women's beauty, I'm keeping myself sane. I spent hundreds on educating myself on how to make wigs. I started off by making wigs by hand, and then I taught myself how to make it on a sewing machine. I was able to cut down the wig making time and give myself that therapy. I created a course that doesn't cost nearly as much as I've spent to learn how to make wigs on a sewing machine.
By the way, this hair is from Gorgeous Queen's collection. I'm about to take it out, but it has served me well. It's actually a wig.
So Gorgeous Queen's collection is actually whose hair I wear. My wig flipping back some, but that's because I don't want no clay on there or whatever. But that's whose hair I wear. You guys check them out.
Want to be able to stay home and make some good money too? Let me teach you.